welcome back to this. I don't know. Hold on, let me do this again. Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs.
Yes, sir. How are you?
There you go. Yeah, I'm messing it up. Starting early, messing everything up. What are we talking about today? Baby Beast.
Baby Beast.
Yes, but a special one.
We are in sunny Gainesville, Florida. We are exactly 24 hours away from the Midwest Owners Rally for 2024 that's happening here in Gainesville. And
I've been invited.
Hank has been invited.
Yep.
I'm providing a big dinner. We're providing some cool t-shirts, some Yeti cups, a lot of really cool swag. It's gonna be a great weekend. As part of it, I always like to have Hank camp in lots of different vans. And big vans, little vans, 4x4s, two-wheel drives, gas, diesel, whatever Hank can camp in. I want him camping, trying stuff. And really, Hank, I mean, you know the reason. So that way you can tell people what it's like. And
absolutely.
You can share the lifestyle and share the dream and share the joy.
Yeah, and I really know what I'm talking about. I have some kind of experience.
You have no clue what you're talking about. But at least you get to sleep in cool vans.
No.
So,
and this one I've actually wanted to try out for a long time. The Baby Beast.
Baby Beast, you're excited about this thing.
I am.
So when you told me you were going to camp at the Midwest Owners Rally, when you told me that you wanted to borrow a Midwest, we both decided this was going to be the best.
Yeah, this is great. Yeah,
but you know what's really cool? You know what's really cool?
What?
This is the last of the Mohicans.
Right.
This is the last.
This is a V6.
This is the last of the Mohicans because Mercedes just upgraded within the last couple months all of their chassis to 4 cylinders and all-wheel drive. So an all-time all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
This is a V6 with a 4x4. So you press a button and it's 4x4.
Yep.
I got a funny story about that, Hank.
Oh boy.
So my wife and my daughter are at the beach on Sunday. This Sunday.
Right.
And I'm tired. I just got back from spring break. I didn't feel like going. And she told me she wants to drive on the beach. My wife drives a Cadillac Escalade. And she calls me and says, I'm driving on the beach, Nick. I said, whoa. She's like, is this thing 4-wheel drive? I was like, I think it's all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. I'm not really sure. I don't remember, to be honest. I've never had to deal with it. And so she's FaceTiming me, showing me the dash and showing me all this stuff. So we finally find the 4-wheel drive button and she presses it and she does perfect on the beach.
Oh, yeah?
Perfect.
Wow.
Parks. Spends the whole day on the beach. Guess what happens? Gets back in the car.
It's not 4-wheel. It came out.
Came out.
Yeah.
She gets stuck within 10 seconds. I'm like, baby, you're supposed to press the 4-wheel drive again. And
if
so,
you shut off the power, you got.
My wife is beautiful and my daughter is beautiful. So guess how many guys lined up to help them?
Everybody.
Every guy on the beach lined up to help.
Yeah.
So they got out, but you have to press the button.
Yeah.
And on this one, you have to press the button.
Yes.
Guess what Mercedes went to now?
All-wheel drive.
Automatic.
Yeah. So
there's no button to press.
Rear-wheel drive.
There's no button to press.
Yeah.
If you're getting stuck, all the wheels spin. So if my wife would have had that, she wouldn't have had the chance to get helped by all these young men.
Yeah, you gotta live and learn.
Gotta live and learn.
Gotta live and learn.
She has a 4-wheel drive Escalade.
I'm sure she enjoyed that just a little bit.
This is a 4-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter.
Okay.
Midwest Patriot. We do call it the Baby Beast.
Yep.
And now we sell Storytellers, so I know the Beast is something Storyteller uses.
Right. Oh yeah. Oh, you don't get in trouble.
And we use with Midwest. So, but what makes us a beast, right?
Well, but the fact that it's 4x4, but then all the gear comes along with it.
Yes.
And then with this, if you're looking for the luxury touch, you're going to find it inside.
Yes.
So someone who's still looking for a V6 4x4, but they want that. Remember we did the video with the guy who did all the off-road
where he the air and the tires went in and out real quick and winches.
So there's a really good deal on this for anyone.
There is. This is actually our last one. This is our last 6-cylinder Sprinter chassis, our last 4x4 that we have. I kind of feel like it might be worth a ton one day. I don't know if I should sell it or not. Should I put it in the museum?
No, come on.
Okay, we'll sell it.
It's
for sale.
Someone has to enjoy this thing.
I will give a killer deal to somebody on this van. And there is something, so the new Patriots are coming with the upgraded Gree air conditioner.
Those are nice.
This one does not have it, so I will throw in a free Gree air conditioner with this van, so that way you have all the upgrades.
Oh, awesome.
And the V6 and the 4x4.
Oh, sweet.
So, pretty cool.
All right, just let them know that you saw this.
It's the Hank Strange special.
Hank did the video. So who buys a Midwest Patriot American coach?
So this is the 19-foot Sprinter. The person that buys this is someone that is going to do some off-roading, maybe some boondock. I would say more boondocking boondocking than off-roading.
Right.
They also want to have the luxury of the inside. It looks like a Ritz-Carlton on the inside.
Yeah.
They want to have the exterior that can take them anywhere. With the batteries, this does have the Eco Freedom package, Hank. Lithium, 600 amp hours of lithium batteries.
Okay.
This has everything that American Coach is offering on one. With the lift, the wheels, the tires, the roof rack, every option that one is offered from American Coach Patriot, this has on it.
So let's walk around real quick.
Okay.
We don't want to make a super long video, but let's
We
show
don't,
people
but being
what's
19,
what we got here. I like the rims. The
How
rims are
cool
cool.
this thing is.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a sharp, very, very sharp 19-foot. So who buys it? You asked the question, who buys it? I love when you ask that. I sit across from people all the time that are buying a bunch of different stuff. And the guy that's buying this is someone that wants the luxury, like I said before. They want the lithium. They want the Ritz-Carlton on the inside. They want to be able to modify it and do some cool stuff on their own.
Yeah.
But it's only 2 of them. Because this is 19 feet, this really is a 1 to 2 person van.
Yeah.
There are 5 seatbelts in it. So there is in the back.
You can take a couple of people, but the trade-off is you can pretty much go anywhere with this. You can park in a regular spot, like you always say.
Correct. So on the back, this is a couch. It does have the 3 seatbelts back here.
Yep, here you
it
go.
does have some storage, but this couch has 3 seatbelts, and there's 2 in the front. So you have 5 seatbelts. You can sleep 2 people.
I like these on all of these, man, that you've got the built-in. Pull it down, and woo, there it goes.
Isn't that cool? You don't have to
that's-
carry something else.
yeah,
I know
that's
you like that a
awesome.
lot. I like what they do, how they really upfit all of it. It's not just in the van, it's the outsides. It doesn't look like a cargo van, you know?
Yeah. This is like van life. People always think about a 144 Sprinter.
Yep.
Right? And this is what they're thinking about.
Like the
but this is
Rebel, the
luxurious.
Storyteller, these are all the 144s.
By the way, there's the thing I'm driving today, my E-Transit.
Looks like a kidnapper's van.
It's beautiful.
If my kid saw a van with
That
no
is
windows,
faster than this, but
if my
not as
kids
cool.
saw a van with no windows pull up to them, they would say, "Dad, the kidnappers are coming."
Yeah. Now, I really like the ladder, roof rack, all of that stuff on here. But before we get to that, so you still have all the stuff that Midwest usually has, right?
Yeah, so what's cool is you have the Macerator with the power hose, you got the outside shower, you got your city water hookup, you got everything that they've offered for years, and I like how it's hidden and covered, right?
Yeah,
It's
every
not-
van should have a Macerator on it, man.
It's not exposed.
Yeah.
It's totally hidden and covered. I like that. Something else that this Eco Freedom package does is it gets rid of the propane. So
Okay.
that truly gives you that freedom to where all you do is stick fuel in it and just drive, and you have no issues at all. So you don't need any propane.
You could cook. You can use the
I say that
AC,
as
do
we're
all
right
this.
next to a propane.
Big propane thing over there.
Big propane shop.
Propane and propane accessories.
But they hate
Right.
these vans because they don't want to. They don't want there to be.
Okay,
So
you going up?
I'm going up. Nice
Okay.
big ladder. Takes
Be
us-
nice to my camera that I'm about to hand off to
Oh
you.
geez, here we. This is
Don't
the new.
damage it.
This is the brand new 4K camera. So we have a big roof rack, big solar
How many
panels.
solar panels up there?
Eric, there's 3 of them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And
then-
that AC is going to change, like you said. That's going to have a gray in it. That's
Correct,
awesome.
correct.
Oh, cool.
We're gonna take this out and we're gonna put a grille in there for
Sweet.
someone. But I really like the look that this roof rack gives. I mean, it just, you know what I would do if this was mine? I would put some LED lights right here, like a real nice LED light package.
Yeah, like KC lights or something like that on there. Yeah. You know, some people just do flex at the mall with these. I know that you might not believe that.
Pull up to the mall and
Yeah.
a beast.
Yeah, there's some people that just flex with them, but they are practical, so that's why I'm excited about trying one out.
And we'll jump inside, but some of the other cool stuff that the luxury. So the inside, this is probably one of the most luxurious Class Bs that we have. The inside, everything is apportioned, they call it. Everything.
Leather, you've got the
roof,
matching wood.
the pillars,
Yeah.
the doors, the wood, everything. American Coach, they really
That's
go
nice.
above and beyond.
And there's cameras, which you can see in the
4
corner.
camera
We'll show you
security
guys.
system.
Yep.
Check this out.
can see
Everyone
it right
comes
here.
with the Elite Club VIP membership.
Oh, there you go.
Guaranteed service appointments
Okay.
in 5 days, a full walkthrough from one of our technicians, camping at a local campground for the first 2 nights so you can really get a good feel for it. That's where the rally is.
Oh, okay, cool.
Rally's at the Santa Fe Palms Resort, RV Resort.
Okay, I can never remember that name, but
Santa
yes.
Fe Palms. We're going to have 80 Midwest vans there.
Wow.
80 of them.
Nice. This looks really good. Whenever I borrow any of these, Like I get a lot of stares from people, you know, a lot
Yeah.
of like, oh, what is this thing? So very, very nice. Let's go inside.
Power
And show
door.
off all the awesomeness in there.
So, 19 foot. This has the milkweed with the black piping. It has the black Denali. It has storage, JL audio speakers. I really like when you walk in here, you feel luxurious. No matter what the outside, you can wrap it, you can lift it, you can do all winches and boxes and ladders. But when you're inside this van, you truly feel like you're at a Ritz-Carlton. I mean, this is the most luxurious Class B on the market. And it's cool because there's lots of flexibility about what you can do back here. This can be a bed, this can be a workspace, this can be just a couch. If you know, I sold this to a good friend of mine that lived down in Naples, one of these, and he never slept in it. He used it to haul him and his friends around.
Just
They
like
went
a
on
little
road
limo.
trips, just like a little limo, being 19 feet. This is a great option for that.
So
as
there's
well.
still some storage here. Obviously,
there's
you
a
would
lot.
get more storage with a bigger, you know, if you got a 170, excuse me, or 170
So they make
extended,
three
but-
sizes, Hank. They make this is the 19 foot. They make a 22 foot and a 24 foot. So there's three sizes of this Sprinter van that Midwest makes.
So let me ask you a question here. So when you get this replaced, will you still get some nice wood treatment around it?
Oh, yeah.
With the green? Oh, sweet.
Oh, maybe not actually.
No?
No, it's white.
Oh, okay. Well, is that how all the grease are?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
It
Yeah.
is white.
Yeah. So, but nice. You have a microwave in this, which you don't get that in a Revel.
That is true. And there's three Fireflies.
Yeah.
You have Apple TV. You have a Wi-Fi router. I mean, there's three.
Firefly right there.
There's three of these things throughout the whole van.
Where's the other one?
There's one
It's
right there.
here.
And there's one by the driver.
And yeah, something that everyone should have right here. Another one. This is really cool. Like the up front, you know, driving a Mercedes. Right there is your camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Right there is your camera showing you everything. Really nice. I'm looking forward to this, man. Oh, this has vibrator. It's got the massage seat.
Massaging.
Vibrating. I'm
There's no
massaging.
vibrators. There's massagers in here.
Yeah.
You know, Hank, I know you're not used to working with something this small, so I wonder how.
Don't start, man. Don't start. You're gonna make Lola have to give me a lecture when we go over this. You know, like you guys couldn't help yourselves for 5 minutes.
I just want to make sure that you're comfortable working with something this small.
Listen, you know, we all have to learn how to work with whatever we get.
Yes.
Check it out, though. Let's show the bathroom.
Good size bathroom.
If we do a video where we don't show the bathroom, I hear about it.
You're the only one that cares about it, by the way. No one else cares.
Nope. The last time we talked about it, people were very appreciative that we showed the bathroom.
There's a fan in the bathroom, two
It's
lights.
ventilated.
Let's turn these lights on.
That's cool.
Woo!
Yeah. Very
Let
nice.
there be lights.
Um,
So lots of space.
Nice, big, usable.
You know what's
sink in
cool?
here.
This is the same size bathroom that's in their 22 footer.
Yeah.
And it's in their 24 footer.
Yep.
So same size bathroom. You don't miss out on the bathroom. You know, everything else is a little smaller, but you know, my wife's SUV is 18 feet 3 inches. So the fact that this is 19 feet long, it's
not bad.
not that bad.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's very easy to drive, easy to park. But I mean, we did a video last week on driving a van through town and parking it everywhere.
Yeah.
And this is smaller than that van.
Yeah.
And we parked it
I haven't
everywhere.
even put that out yet, but it's a good video.
Oh.
Yeah, don't worry. It'll get out there at some point. People will see our adventures.
We had some good adventures.
And when Lola sees what I got up to...
Did she watch it?
No, this has not been put up yet.
Oh, jeez.
Listen, be careful, Nick. Don't get me in trouble before the time.
Hank swallowed a cookie whole. It was funny.
That was a delicious... I'm still thinking about that cookie right now.
I'm thinking about the rally that's coming up tomorrow.
Oh, okay,
24
sure.
hours from the rally.
Right.
Carl will be there, Jackie,
Yep.
Hank Strange, Ron Preston, Lola.
Yep.
I'll be there. Our whole
Yeah.
sales team will be there. Everybody will be there camping for the weekend.
Yep.
Hanging out, having a big dinner on Thursday night. It's gonna be fun.
It's going to be fun. Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. And I don't know if you guys are going to see this video before or after, but if you're interested in this, you can let these guys know. But I am very excited and looking forward to trying
You're
this
not
out.
allowed to use the bathroom or anything.
Oh. Okay. Well.
This has to stay virgin.
What you don't know about the bathroom won't hurt you.
This has to stay virgin.
No, I won't. I won't use the bathroom. I won't use the bathroom. Thankfully, we're going to be at a really nice place. That Santa
Really
Fe
nice
place
campground.
is nice.
Yes.
They've got bathrooms, showers, and all of that. So that's the one thing we're not going to use on this, of course, because we want someone to
It has to be a virgin.
want to buy it. Unless, you know, if you especially want me or Nick to use the bathroom of the van,
Throw
let
up.
us know. And we could, no, you wouldn't do that for someone if they,
No.
all right, okay. Let's end it.
Let's end it.
How about that? I'll let you do it.
Come to the rally. Stop by the rally. And I will say one more thing about these owners groups.
Okay.
One of the best things about these Class B communities are these owner groups.
Yeah.
Coachman has a phenomenal owners group. Their Facebook group.
Yep.
Midwest has a phenomenal group
Yep.
of people that care, people that are there. Road Trek has them. Winnebago has them. They all have these great groups.
I got to do a road trek
And-
one of these days.
And what's really cool is, you know, we're open a lot. We're not open 24/7.
Yeah.
The factory, the Midwest factory is open a lot. They're not open 24/7. You know what is open 24/7?
The owners groups.
The owners groups.
Yeah.
So if you're
Yeah.
stranded in the middle of the night
Yeah.
and something starts beeping or doesn't work, jump on Facebook, put it
Yep.
on there, hey, something is beeping. There'll be 5 other people that can't sleep in the middle of the night that would love to help you
Yep.
from these owners groups. And
Yeah.
so they have some of the Midwest and Coachman and Road Trek have 3 of the best owners groups that I've ever
If you're
seen.
buying it and you've never done this and you're a little intimidated, because they do this often, there's
Yeah.
a bunch of different groups. You can literally buy it from you guys, and your first trip could be with the group.
Correct.
And it works out great.
Correct. Happens all the time.
And then when you buy it, make sure you get Nick to get you one of these
God. Nobody
Vanasaur
wants your dumb
shirts.
shirt.
Look at that one. I've
wants
got
your dumb shirt.
Sprinter van versions, ProMaster, you know,
should give away
transit
for free to
versions.
all your fans.
I do give them away for free because you buy them and then you give them to people. So that's how it goes. But someone has to, you know, I mean, I've got to be fed. Well, someone's got to
You're
feed
not
me.
missing too many meals here.
All right. End it. Wrap it up. Let's go. Wrap it up.
Come to the rally. Check us out. Thanks for watching. This is the channel. Woo!